Hello viewer, welcome back to the Mobile Mechanic 757 channel. Here we get down straight to the point. Having been in the market of mobile mechanic, we have a lot of experience. And today, as an employee, I'm here to help you, new entrepreneur in this mobile mechanic business, with the ideas that we have gained out of our business to support you improve your business. So today, I want to tell you that at the Mobile Mechanic 757, we do offer service for one-on-one consultation. Yes, we do one-on-one consultation concerning mobile mechanic business. Of course, we are not pros. And every issue in business, every idea, sometimes you don't know how to go about it. You may need to consult. And here at the Mobile Mechanic 757, we give you that service. You just go to our website, www.themobilemechanic757.com, and click on one-on-one consultation, book, and we shall be available to answer questions to your unanswered issues about the Mobile Mechanic 757. And again, we also sell documents online on the same website, www.themobilemechanic757.com. And the documents that we sell, one, we have AC cheat sheets, automotive release of liability, ignition and misfire document, Craigslist document, policies for the business, and we also have legal document of mobile mechanic business. And also, we also have a document of how to read a fuel trim. All DIYs, you do it all alone. You can buy this our document, and it will guide you on what to do on your car if you do not have a mechanic with you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and we love you. You are awesome.